How to create landing page in Linktree. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create landing page in Linktree. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that we need to do is to go to the web page of Linktree, in which upon doing so, you will be directed in here. You may create your account or sign up for free or logging in your existing Linktree account. But if you don't have a Linktree account, you can proceed by clicking sign up for free. And upon doing so, it will lead you in here. And you can start creating your account by entering your username and also your email address. And make sure that your username that you enter is unique and not already taken. And after that, just proceed by clicking create account. And from here, you can customize your own password with at least 8 characters. And proceed by clicking the continue button. And after that, you also need to tell about yourself by filling out all of the information such as your name and by selecting any of those categories below that describe your Linktree. And after selecting any of those categories, you can now proceed by clicking continue, in which you will be directed in here, in which you gotta choose a plan for you. Under annually, you have 4 options such as free, starter, pro, and premium, in which below is the benefits or details of those each plan, including its corresponding price. While under the monthly plan, they are also offering the same options, in which the only difference is the prices corresponding to each of this plan. So let's say I'm gonna choose the free options, so gonna check its box, and below, just proceed by clicking join for free. And finally, you will be directed in here. And after creating an account, just proceed by clicking continue to my Linktree. And on the home page of your Linktree, it will notify you that you need to verify the link that has been sent to your email. So just go to your email inboxes and proceed by verifying your email. And kindly click sign in to continue. And now that you verify your email address, we can now start creating landing page here in Linktree, in which, as you can see on the top left panel, there are different options such as links, appearance, analytics, and settings, in which the next thing that we need to do is to proceed by clicking appearance. And upon doing so, you will be directed in here. And under your profile, you may pick an image that will serve as your profile picture, in which by uploading profile image, you are given 3 options. The first one is to upload your own image. Can be from your device, Facebook, Instagram, or even Google Drive. While the next option is to design with Canva, in which you may design your own profile image in Canva. While the other one is using NFT for your profile. It's basically showcasing NFT as your profile picture. And also, under your profile, you may also customize your profile bio, in which in here, you may type or enter a context about your life, in which it can be your talent, belief, and many more. And below the profile bio, you may also add social icons. By just clicking on it, it will lead you in here. While aside from social icons, you can also choose the list, such as support banner, mailing list integrations, commerce integrations, sensitive material, and many more. But in those options, I'm gonna choose social icons. And in order to add social icons, kindly click add icon. And aside from that, you can also customize your support under support banner by turning on show your support, in which under support banner, you may choose a cause of supporting your profile banner. And let's say I'm supporting anti-racism. So kindly click on it and select anti-racism and enable your support. While below support banner, you will also see the mailing list integrations, in which under mailing list integrations, you may add email sign-up field to your Linktree so visitors can join your mailing list. While the other one is the commerce integrations, in which from here, you can start collecting the tips and payments or sell products, services, and many more by just proceeding by clicking add new integration. While under the sensitive material, If you want to display a sensitive content warning before visitors can view your profile, you can simply enable this and select the ages that you prefer. But if you want to disable it, kindly click the green button. And below sensitive material, you will also find different kind of options, such as analytics integrations, in which you can link your Facebook Pixel ID or even your Google Analytics ID. And also, under the analytics integrations, you may also find the subscribe, in which by enabling this, it will add a button so visitor can subscribe to your Linktree. And you can also get access to your subscribers by upgrading your Linktree account. While under affiliate programs, you can earn commission by referring visitors to product and services from your links. And to do that, you also need to upgrade your Linktree account. And after customizing and selecting different kind of options under appearance, the next thing that we need to do is to go to links, which is located on the top left corner. And under the links option, we can now start adding a link by clicking this button, in which by clicking on it, it will show you a variety of social media platform that you may use in creating landing page in Linktree. We have here Typeform, document, video, header, Twitter, or even a contact details. But if you don't want to choose, on below options, you can just simply entering your own URL. So I'm going to write google.com. And after that, just proceed by clicking the add button. And as you can see here, the URL that I just add is now located on this record, and it will be added on the design of our landing page. But if you still want to add a link, just click the button add link, or if you want to delete your previous URL, you can do that by clicking the trash can icon. But if you want to have additional link, just click add link button. And same process, in which you may choose any of those social media platform in order to share your content, and even in order to collect money or selling products or services, such as by adding store, request, Spring, tip jar, PayPal, or even Square. You may also add a platform that may help you in growing your followers, such as contact form, Cameo, community, contact details, TikTok profile, and Gleam, in which you can add any of those platforms by clicking the add button. And after adding a link from different platform, we can now proceed by customizing the design of our URL, in which we can import a thumbnail, set as prioritize, or even schedule a date for it. But to do that, we need to upgrade our Linktree account. And after creating a landing page in Linktree, we can now proceed by clicking the share button, which is located on the top right corner, and choose your socials or other options that you want to share your Linktree landing page. So that is just how to create landing page in Linktree. Thank you.